Welcome students, myself Mehboob Pasha, and today in this session we will be discussing about rational numbers between two rational numbers. In last class we have discussed how to represent rational number on number line. So today in this session we will be discussing rational numbers between two rational numbers. Students, if I ask you to write the numbers between 2 and 5, okay, these two are rational numbers now. We know that 2 as well as 5 are, these two numbers are rational number. Okay, so if I ask you to write the numbers between 2 and 5, then what will you write? The numbers between 2 and 5 is what? 3, 4. Okay, the numbers between 2 and 5 is what? 3, 4. If I ask you to write the numbers between 3 and 9, if I ask you to write the numbers between 3 and 9, then what will you write? Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, the numbers between 3 and 9 is what? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I ask you to write the number between 7 and 9, if I ask you to write the number between 7 and 9, what will you write? Right now, the number between 7 and 9 is what? 8. So these are all rational numbers, no? 2, 5, 3, 9, 7, 9. These are all rational numbers. This you can do easily. But okay, suppose if I ask you to write the numbers between 0 and 1, if I ask you to write the rational numbers between 0 and 1, so will you write? So you will be getting difficulty now because you haven't learned it. Okay, so if I ask you to write the numbers between 10 and 11, if I ask you to write the rational numbers between 10 and 11, then what you can write? Okay, so here you are getting difficulty, no? So we will see how to write the numbers between any two rational numbers. Suppose if I ask you to write the numbers between 0 and 1, then how will you write? Okay, so this 0 and 1 are rational numbers now. These two are rational numbers. 0 can be written as 0 by 1 and 1 can be written as 1 by 1. Okay, what is the thing that the number has to be rational? The cube place, that is denominator should not be equal to 0. So 0 can be written as 0 by 1 and 1 can be written as 1 by 1. So these two are rational numbers. Now how to write rational numbers between these two rational numbers? How to write rational numbers between these two rational numbers? So look at here, students. Okay, so what you need to do, you just multiply any bigger value, need not 10, 100, whatever it may be. Okay, so you just multiply any bigger value. Here I am taking 10. Here I am multiplying 10 by 10 to both numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so here I am multiplying 10 by 10 to both numerator as well as denominator to 0, as well as 10 by 10 to both numerator and denominator of this one. Okay, so now 0 tens are 0, 1 tens are 10. Next, 1 tens are 10 and 1 tens are 10. Okay, so look at here, students. As the denominator is same, so here you can write 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10. Okay, so look at here, students. Do you think that only 9 numbers are between 0 and 1? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you think, students, that only 9 numbers are there between 0 and 1? No, there are many numbers. I'll tell you later. Okay, so look at here first. What is this? This is the rational numbers between 0 and 1. Now look at here. 0 divided by any number is what? 0 only. Okay, and 10 divided by 10 is what? 1 only. 10 divided by 10 is 1 and 0 divided by 10, any number is what? 0 only. So here these are the numbers. These are the numbers between 0 and 1. Okay, so here how many numbers are these? There are 9 numbers. Okay, so you don't think that there are 9 numbers between 0 and 1. There are infinite numbers. There are infinite numbers. Infinite means uncountable. Infinite means uncountable. So there are infinite numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay. So I'll tell you. So here there are 9. Here there are 9. So if you want to get more numbers, then what you need to do? You have multiplied 10 by 10 now. You have multiplied 10 by 10. So you do one thing. So now you multiply 0 by 1 to 100 by 100. Okay. So now you multiply 0 by 1 with 100 by 100. Okay. Next. Now you multiply 1 by 1. Now you multiply 1 by 1 with 100 by 100. Now look at here. 0 into 100 is 0. And 1 into 100 is 100. Okay. Now 1 into 100 is 100. And 1 into 100 is 100. So look at here, students. As the denominator is same, you can write, okay, 1 by 100, 2 by 100, 3 by 100, 4 by 100, or up to 99 by 100. Okay. So here you can write 1 by 100, 2 by 100, 3 by 100, 4 by 100, up to 99 by 100. So here also there are no 99 numbers between 0 and 1. There are no 99 numbers between 0 and 1. If you want to get still more numbers, then you need to multiply still bigger value. That is, here you multiply 0 by 1 with 1000 by 1000. And here you multiply 1 by 1 with 1000 by 1000. Okay. So look at here, students. So 0 by 1000, 0 into 1000 is 0. And 1 into 1000 is 1000. And here 1 into 1000 is 1000. And 1 into 1000 is 1000. So now look at here, students. The denominator is same, no? So denominator is same. So now you can write 1 by 1000, 2 by 1000, 3 by 1000, 4 by 1000, up to 99 by 1000. Up to 99 by 1000. Okay. There are not only 999 number, students. Okay, so there are many numbers. If you want to get more numbers, means then you need to multiply still bigger and bigger value for these numbers. So what are these all? Okay, so what we have seen in this? So we have seen how to write rational number between 0 and 1. Students, if I ask you to write the rational number between 10 and 11, then how will you write? Okay, again same procedure. So as I told you, you need not to multiply 10 always. You can multiply any number, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, anything. Okay, so here also I'm multiplying 10 by 10. Okay, so now, so look at here, 10 tens are 100. Next, 1 tens are 10. And here 10 11s are 110 and 1 tens are 10. Okay, so now what we are writing? So we are writing the rational numbers between 10 and 11. Okay, so what we have done? We have multiplied 10 by 10 to both numerator as well as denominator, and we have multiplied 10 by 10 to 11 also. Okay, so look at here. So here denominator is same, 10 and 10. Then how we have to write? So 100 by 10 is there. Okay, so now I'll be writing the numbers between these two rational numbers. So 101 by 10. Okay, 102 by 10, 103 by 10, 104 by 10, up to how much? 109 by 10. Okay, so there are, so look at here, students. So these are the numbers between 10 and 11, that is 101 by 10, 102 by 10, 103 by 10, 104 by 10, up to 109 by 10. So not only these numbers, students, not only these 9 numbers. If you want, you can still get more and more numbers. Okay, as I told you, just if you want to get more number means, okay, so what you need to do? Just multiply bigger value. Just 100 by 100. Okay, here also 100 by 100. So now 10 and 200 is 1000, and 1 into 100 is 100. Next 11 into 100 is 1100, and this is 100. Okay, so now you can write the numbers. So look at here students, 1000 by 100. Okay, so 1001 by 100, 1002 by 100, up to what? 1999 by 100. Okay, so 1999 by 100. So these are the numbers. So these are the numbers between 10 and 11. Now if I ask you to write the rational numbers between -2 and 0, then how will you write? Same. Okay, so -2 by, so this is written as first -2 by 1, and this is written as 0 by 1. So again, what you need to multiply? To multiply any bigger number. So here also I am taking 10 by 10, and 0 by 1 is also 10 by 10. So look at here, -2 into 10 is -20, and 1 into 10 is 10, and what is this? 0 into 10 is 0, and 1 into 10 is 10. So now students, what are the numbers between -2 and 0? So look at here, as the denominator is same. Okay, so as the denominator is same, you can just write. Okay, you have seen no number line, no? So just move from this side, that is 20, that is -19 by 10, -18 by 10, -17 by 10, -16 by 10. Okay, up to how much? 0 by 10, up to 0 by 10. So these are the rational numbers between -2 and 0. Okay, if you want, still we can still multiply more bigger and bigger value to get more and more rational numbers between any two numbers. Students, if you are asked to write the rational numbers between -5 by 6 and 5 by 8, then how will you write? Okay, so if you are asked to write the rational numbers between -5 by 6 and 5 by 8, then how you should write? So here, look at here, both the numbers having different denominators, no? Both the numbers having different denominators. So here, in this case, if the rational numbers having different denominators, what is the first step means? We need to equalize the denominators. Okay, so we need to equalize the denominators. To equalize the denominators, what we have to do? We have to find the LCM of these two numbers, that is 6 and 8. Okay, so now let us find the LCM of these two numbers. So here, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 4 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so now 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. So now what is the LCM? 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Okay, so here what is the LCM? LCM is 24. So now look at here, you take this one first, -5 by 6. Okay, so now you need to equalize the denominators of these two rational numbers. Then look at here, here 6 is there. Okay, here what is LCM? 24. Then what you need to multiply to 6 so that you can get 24? 4, no? 6 4s are 24. So here multiply 4 by 4. Multiply 4 by 4. So now minus into plus will be minus. 5 4s are 20 divided by 6 4s are 24. Okay, so now take this one, 5 by 8. So now here LCM 24 is there. Here denominator is what? 8. Then what you need to multiply to 8 so that you can get 24? 3, no? 8 3s are 24. Okay, so here multiply 3 by 3. So 5 3s are 15. 8 3s are 24. 5 3s are 15 and 8 3s are 24. So here you can write okay. So minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8 is nothing but what? Minus 20 by 4 and 15 by 24. So now we will find the rational numbers between 5 by 6 and 5 by 8, that is minus 20 by 24 and 15 by 24. Now we shall write the rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, so as the denominator is same, so we can write here 20 is 0, so minus 19 by 24, minus 18 by 24, minus 17 by 24, up to how much? 14 by 24 and you can write this one 15 by 24. Okay, so these are what? These are the rational numbers between minus 20 by 24 and 15 by 24. That is what you can say. These are the rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. Okay, so these are the rational numbers between what? Minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. Now, if you ask to write the rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, then how you need to write? So, same procedure. As look at here, there is a different denominators. Okay, so as the rational numbers are having different denominators, so what we need to do? We need to find the LCM. Okay, so with that we need to find the LCM of 2 and 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2. So here what is the LCM? 2 into 2, that is LCM is what? 4. Now take this number 1 by 4. So here LCM is 4 and the denominator of this rational number is what? It is also 4. Then what you need to multiply? Just multiply 1 by 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4. Next, you just take this number 1 by 2. So here LCM is 4 and our denominator is 2. So then what you need to multiply to make it 4? 2, no? So multiply 2 by 2. 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So now what are the two numbers? We can rewrite these two numbers, that is 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Okay, so we can rewrite this number as 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. So now students, what we have got? We have got numbers as 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. So now we shall write the numbers between these two numbers. But look at here, even though the denominator is same, okay, so even though the denominator is same, 1 after which number will come? 2 only, no? 1 after 2 only will come. Then how we need to write? The denominator is same, okay, so and the numerator, look at here, 1 after which number will come? It will come 2 only, no? 1 after 2 only will come. Then what are the numbers between these two numbers? How we can get? So here in this case what we need to do, as I told you, you need to multiply any bigger value. So here I am multiplying 10 by 10. Okay, so here I am multiplying 10 by 10. So now 1 tens are 10, 4 tens are 40, next 2 tens are 20, 4 tens are 40, next. Okay, so now look at here, the denominator is same and here 10 is there, 20 is there. So now we can write now. So here now we can write the rational numbers between these two numbers, that is 11 by 40, 12 by 40, 13 by 40, 14 by 40, after how much? 19 by 40. Okay, so here what is that? Look at here, these are the rational numbers, okay, from 11 by 40 to 19 by 40. So these are the rational numbers between these two numbers, that is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Students, now we will see the another method of writing rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, so here always the midterm of any two numbers, okay, so always the middle number of any two numbers will be its mean. Okay, so here suppose 192 is there, 192 is there, the midpoint or the number between these two numbers, the number between these two numbers is what? It is always the mean of these two numbers. Okay, so look at here, 1 plus 2 is equals to what? 3. So now how we need to find mean? Two numbers, no? So divided by 2. So 3 divided by 2 is what? 1.5. 1.5. So look at here, 1.5 is between these two numbers, no? 1.5 is what? Between these two numbers. Okay, so here what is this? 1.5 is the between these two rational numbers. Okay, so this is not rational number, this is not a rational number, but what is this? The midpoint of any two numbers, okay, or the number between any two numbers is always a mean of those two numbers. So let us take one more thing. 7 and 9 is there. 7 and 9 is there. Then what is the number between these two numbers? Okay, so 7 and 9 is there. Then what is the number between these two numbers? Okay, so look at here. So we will find the mean of these two numbers, 7 plus 9. Now we will find the mean of these two numbers. It is 7 plus 9 is equals to what? 16. So now 16 by 2. 2 numbers are so divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 8. So what we have got 8 now. So look at here. 8 will be in between 7 and 9 now. So here what I mean to say is always the middle number. Okay, so always the middle number of any two between any two numbers is its mean. Okay, so always the midterm or middle number of any two numbers is its average mean of those two numbers. So look at here. Again come to this. Okay, so what we have got 1.5. Okay, so this 1.5 can be written as what? 15 by 10. Okay, so now you can cancel 5 3s are and 5 2s are. So what you have got? 3 by 2. Okay, so what you have got? 3 by 2. So now we shall see this method to write the rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Now we will write the rational numbers between these two numbers with by using another method. Okay, so what I told you, the number between these two numbers is what? It's a mean. Okay, so here, so first we will find the sum of these two numbers and then we will divide it by 2. So here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So now we will add these two numbers and we will divide these two numbers by 2. So why we are dividing by 2 means, so here we are having two numbers. Okay, so here what is the LCM of 4 and 2? 4 only, no? The LCM of 4 and 2 is what? 4 only. Just I am writing directly. Then to get 4 here you need to multiply 2 and here also you need to multiply 2. Now 1 2s are 2. Okay, so here now 1 plus 2 is what? 3 and 4. So 3 by 4 divided by 2 is there. Okay, so 3 by 4 divided by 2. So we will rewrite it. 3 by 4 divided by 2 is there, no? So how to solve this? In 7th standard you have learned how to solve this kind of problems. Okay, so look at here. If nothing is there means 1 will be there. So here 3 by 4 you need to reciprocal 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 3s are 3 and 4 2s are 8. Okay, so look at here students. This is the number. This is the number between these two numbers. Okay, so now you can write 1 by 4, 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. So this is the number between these two numbers, that is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So this number will be always greater than this one. Okay, so this number will be always greater than this one and this number will be always lesser than this one. Okay, this number will be greater than this one and this number will be lesser than this one. Why? Because it is between these two numbers. So now we have found one number between these two numbers. So now to find next number, what you need to do, you can take either these two numbers, okay, or these two numbers. You can take these two numbers or these two numbers. So now next what we will do, we will take these two numbers. Okay, so here next step is what? We will take these two numbers. So if you want to find the numbers between these two numbers, then what we need to do? Again same, we need to find the mean of these two numbers. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8. So now we will divide it by 2. Okay, so here LCM of 4 and 8 is what? 8 only. And to make it 4, so sorry, to make it 8, what we need to do? Multiply 2. Here also multiply 2. So 1 2s are 2 and 3 is here. Okay, so divided by 2. Why we are divided by 2 means we are taking these two numbers. Okay, now look at here. 2 plus 3 is what? 5. This is what? Divided by 8. Okay, so 5 by 8 and this is divided by 2. So now 5 by 8 same. How to divide? You need to make reciprocal. So 5 ones are 5 and 8 twos are 16. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 8 twos are 16. So this is the number. This is the number between these two numbers. Okay, so here 1 by 4, 5 by 16 and 3 by 8. Okay, so here this is the number, that is 5 by 16 is between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. So this is the number that is between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. So this number will be greater than this one. Okay, and it will be, this number will be lesser than this one. Now you can, what you can do, you can find the numbers between these two numbers. Now you can write the numbers between these two numbers. Okay, so now what we will do, we will find the number between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. Okay, so here what we need to do, again same procedure. Okay, same procedure, that is 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. So now look at here, 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. No, so we have to find the average of these two numbers. So now what is the LCM of 8 and 2? 8 only. Okay, so here multiply by 1. Next here, so 8 is there. What you need to multiply? 4, no, because 2 4s are 8. So here also multiply 4. So 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. This is divided by 2. So 3 plus 4 is 7 divided by 8. Okay, so now what you can write, 7 by 8 into 1 by 2. Okay, so what you can get here, 7 is a 7 and 8 2s are 16. Okay, so now what is this? This is the number between these two numbers, that is 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. So look at here. Okay, so this is the number between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. So this number will be greater than this one and this number will be lesser than this one. Okay, now we'll write the numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, so look at here. First, what we have found, the numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is what? Where it is? Here, 3 by 8. Okay, so here the first number is what we have found is what? 3 by 8. Next. Okay, so next what we have found? We have found the number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Okay, 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. So what is that number? Okay, so look at here, 5 by 16. So this is the number between these two, no? This is the 5 by 16 is what? This is the number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. So right here, 5 by 16. Okay, so now look at here, what we have found? We have found the number between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. So we have found the number between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. So which is that number? Look at here, where it is? 7 by 16. 7 by 16. Okay, so now once again I will rewrite. So 1 by 4, 5 by 16, 3 by 8, 7 by 16 and 1 by 2. Okay, so these are the numbers. So these are the numbers between the two numbers, that is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2.